Well, hello, I'm Dr. Baird. I'm here at Lehi, and we are excited about laser hair removal today and wanted to talk to you a little bit about how that works. Laser hair removal is a series of several treatments. It usually takes about 6 treatments in a given area for that to work. And a lot of people ask, why is that? Why does it take so many treatments to just get your hair gone? And the reason for that is fairly simple if you understand a little bit about hair growth. The laser treatment for hair targets the hair follicle, which is the base where the hair grows and originates from. It targets the hair follicle and destroys that hair follicle so it can't grow more hair. But the caveat is that it only targets that hair follicle, or can only treat the hair follicle when it's in a certain stage of growth. Now, our hair at any point is in one of 3 stages of growth. There's an active growing stage, there's a stage where it's just kind of inactive, meaning it's just hanging out that same length, and then there's where it's falling out stage. So there's active growth, hanging out at the same length, and then a fallout stage. And that's why when you, for example, comb your hair, there's always a little bit of hair falling out with the brush or falling on the floor, whatever, as you get yourself ready in the day, because some of your hair is always falling out, some of it's always actively growing, and some of it's always in that kind of hangout phase. The laser only treats the hair that's in the active growth phase. And if you do a treatment today, it's only going to, at best, get about 1/3 of the hair treated, because at any given point, your hair is spread out in these different hair growth phases. So you come in at different times, and usually the space between the treatments is every 4, maybe 6 weeks, depending on the body area and how fast that hair rotates through the growth cycle. And when you come in for a consult, we'll look at whatever area of the body that you want treated, and we'll make recommendations as how frequent that treatment needs to be. Now, one of the things that's really unique about our treatment here at Mountain Point Wellness is that we have painless hair removal. And a lot of people who hear that just go, no way, you are freaking crazy. That does not happen. But it really does. Most laser treatments, when you apply the applicator, you pull the trigger once and it does this burst of light and energy that just attacks the hair follicle and kills it. The problem with that is that it's extremely painful. It's like getting jabbed with needles. People describe it as like this a little electrical or needly jabs, and every little hair follicle under that treatment feels like a different needle being jabbed. You may get 20 needle jabs all with one pulse of the trigger. Well, with our advanced technology here at Mountain Point Wellness, the laser does this continuous loop of flashing laser light, and it at first is a little bit lower energy, but you do that repeatedly over the area, and the energy builds up in that hair follicle gradually until it kills the hair follicle. It's kind of like the frog in the boiling pot of water, right? If you throw the frog in a boiling pot of water, it hurts like heck, and it jumps out and it responds. Just like you would jump and respond and freak out with normal hair removal from other places. But with our advanced technology, it gradually warms up that hair follicle over time with several passes on the laser, and eventually kills it without having that intense pain. And so that's one reason you would want to come here for your laser hair removal, is because it's not going to make you miserable, make you want to jump off the table. This laser treatment the platform is called Harmony. It's by Alma Lasers, and it's a very unique painless hair removal. We would love for you to come in and do hair removal here. When you buy one area of treatment, we'll give you an equal area or a second area of equal or lesser value for free, as long as you do the treatments all at the same time when you come in the office. We also encourage you to follow us on Facebook, like us on Instagram. Please come here for your